In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best Damascus knives in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Layers carbon steel and Japanese VG10 core are repeatedly forged together by Craftsman. The blade core can reach 62 HRC for excellent heat treatment. Gradient blue titanium alloy is decorated in the bottom of the retro rosewood handle, and both sides of the handle are reserved for DIY self-assembling pocket clip. It is made of cowhide and wax rope, and it is handmade by Craftsman. Belt holdback makes it is suitable for all kinds of outdoor activities, such as camping and fishing. In addition to the cutting function, there is an emergency hammer at the bottom. It is an ideal for EDC tactical applications and possess rapid single-handed deployment. Lifetime warranty covers any defects. Free delivery and return service are supported. Number 4. Made of hand-forged Damascus blade, composed of 1080 and 15N20 high carbon steel, folded 5 times, starting from 9 layers into a twist pattern of 288 layers. Shatter-proof to withstand high-performance hunting task. Exotic handle of pocket knives for men, made of blue packerwood with brass linings, designed with detail attention to offer comfortable grip and control of the hand, making tough job easier. Artistic filler work on back looks traditional and have anti-slip benefit. Say goodbye to rusty dull knife. This Damascus steel knife has razor-sharp blade with lockback mechanism, exceptionally stringent to tackle variety of stressful tasks. Predator hunting, camping, hiking, fishing, survival, woodcutting, daily cutting activities all can be done smoothly in a quick hand move. Premium quality Damascus folding knife is tarnish-proof and rust-resistant to serve your beloved ones for years to come. The trustworthy outdoor knife is a best gifts for men, dad gifts, brother, college gifts for guys, and even father-in-law gifts. Number 3. Many skull elements were incorporated into the design of the knife, such as skull on clip and handle, and on leather sheath, skull pendant as well. It's a cool knife worth showing to your partners. Craftsman hammer various of titanium alloys together. There are hundreds of natural steel fusion lines between different layers. After polishing, it is mysterious titanium Damascus pattern. Professional Craftsman hammer knife blades, surface brushed treatment. The streamline of the Tonto point blade is clear and contracted. Blade core gets a 5860 HRC for excellent heat treatment. It has an extremely durable and sharp 4 inches blade, while 5 inches close. Ergonomically designed, balls bearing make user open the knife with one hand fast and smoothly. Number 2. Endura 4 sets the standard as one of the best-selling folding knives ever made. All the members of the Endura 4 family include a 4-position clip, a high-strength back lock mechanism, and trademark round hole. This handle is made of the non-ferrous and highly corrosion-resistant metal, titanium. Titanium has a high degree of tensile strength, making this handle incomparably durable and long-lasting. This blade is made from Damascus clad, and is beautifully patterned and etched to reveal the detail of the structure. It consists of a VG10 stainless steel core, sandwiched between 2 outer layers of Damascus steel. This knife features a blade ground with flat bevels that extend from the spine all the way to the cutting edge. This grind reduces drag during cutting and decreases overall weight. If you are looking for control and precision, look no more. This knife features our plain edge grind, which is known for creating a smooth and exact cut. Number 1. If you are looking for a truly unique gift for your loved ones, then you should look no further. This Best Buy Damascus 1 masterpiece is going to have your husband, boyfriend, father or brother ecstatic. Perfect for hunting, camping, fishing, outdoors and sports, or simply a magnificent addition to a knife collection. This mighty handmade Damascus steel pocket knife is a knife that you cannot ignore. This folding masterpiece is 100% handmade by artisan craftsmen, utilizing the techniques of ancient Damascus blacksmiths, in order to offer you a unique addition to your knife collection. Damascus steel blades have been known for centuries as the most exquisite, durable and reliable blades in the world. The distinctive patterns, reminiscent of flowing water and the unparalleled durability, make this blade a true timeless masterpiece. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.